Hey guys, Rado here with an Iron. Today I'm here with my boy Timothy.
Hey, what's up guys?
And we are going to take this 2019 CRF110 for a first ride on our backyard track. So stick around. As this is the first time that Timmy will ride this 2019 fuel injected CRF110, and I'm telling you, I'm in love with this bike. It looks amazing. It came with a couple new things compared to old model, and the biggest thing is a fuel injection. So it is much smoother, and there is no pilot jet that can get clogged. So you just sit on this bike, super reliable, and you know, just keep riding. So we're really stoked to have this bike for Timmy for some time so he can learn on this bike. Well, this would not be his first time riding 110, because we had 110 from J. Clark for about a week. Timmy, how many times did we ride that bike?
I think like 5?
Yeah, we went for like 5 rides on 110 before. So today will not be his very first time on 110. We rode 110 before, but it will be very first time on this 110. Yeah. And we're just gonna go through some basic stuff, and I'll shift him in a second gear, let him go in the circles a little bit here, and then probably he will try to do some turns, and let's see how that goes. We went to one class in a dirt bike school, so we kind of know how to do the body positioning. We'll try to practice this today and have a little bit fun. All right, Timmy, so start it up. Yeah, before we go, he forgot his gloves, so today he's riding without the gloves. Other than that, he has all protection that he needs to have, so we should be safe. And nice helmet. Does it hurt?
A little bit.
A little bit, right? Okay. Start it, do the key and everything, and warm it up a little bit. Tim, go start the bike. Okay, let it warm up. Alright, Timmy, so I want you to shift it in the second gear, so you go twice up, and then you see those cones. There is one there, one over here. I want you to keep going around and practice the turns, okay? So stick your foot out and put your bike down to do counterbalance with your body, alright? Okay? Second gear, keep going. Your kickstand. 1, 2, alright. Put your kickstand. Your kickstand. Alright, go for it. Slow down. Stick your foot out. Go inside. Inside. Okay. Almost hit my toes. Let's go again. Stick your foot out. Counterbalance. Inside. Alright. Gas. Alright. Okay, stop here. Stop. Good? You want to go left?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and just ride all the laps, and we'll do some footage right there, okay? Okay, keep riding.
Can I go to third gear?
Yeah, shift third gear. Alright, so he was doing fine. He felt pretty good on the bike. He was in the second gear, but I wanted to go in the third. So he shifted in the third gear, and I'll let him do the laps. We have this maybe 1 minute or minute 30-second lap, kind of easy on the turns. He doesn't do jumps, he just goes up and down, and I think it's really good training for him. So let him ride a little bit, and we'll check a little bit later how he does. right, Timmy? So what do you think?
It was good, and I like to do that turn over there.
So you like to be on the broom and do the turns?
Uh-huh.
And how do you like this bike?
I like it because it's like more faster than the old one.
It's faster than the old one. I guess that's good, huh? Alright, so day number 1 on CRF110. We had a lot of fun. Timmy, I think he did great. He's picking up quite fast, so I'm really proud of that right now. But I keep reminding him he needs to stay humble, right, Timmy? What did I tell you today like 10 times?
Stay humble.
Stay humble. Don't get cocky. It doesn't pay off. So stay humble and keep training, keep going forward. And we had fun. Bike did great. We did some footage. Hopefully, I'll put together a nice, entertaining video for you guys. And we are going to keep riding. How often, Timmy?
A lot, every day.
Every day. That's the plan. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know below in a comment how you liked it. And don't forget, whatever you do,
Stay motivated. See you guys next time.
see you next time.